Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term melodrama. Introduction. The term melodrama finds its roots in the Greek words melos meaning song and drama meaning action. Originally, it encompassed all musical plays, including opera. However, in early 19th century London, the term took a new meaning when it was applied to plays that were produced with musical accompaniment to fortify the emotional tone of various scenes. This circumvented the Licensing Act, which restricted legitimate plays to the monopoly of specific theatres. Victorian melodrama, a popular genre. During the Victorian period, melodrama became a popular theatrical genre. It can be seen as a counterpart to tragedy, much like farce is to comedy. Victorian melodramas typically featured flat character types: the hero with a great heart, the pure and virtuous heroine, and the malicious villain. This clear contrast between good and evil characters also influenced later genres, such as the Western movie and certain television dramas. Victorian melodrama, plots and sacrifices. The plots of Victorian melodramas centered around malevolent intrigue and violent actions. Character development and plot credibility were often sacrificed in favor of dramatic effect and emotional manipulation. Works such as Under the Gaslight and 10 Nights in a Bar Room were representative examples of 19th century melodramas. In modern times, some of these plays are revived more for comedic value than for their original thrills. One notable adaptation of a Victorian melodrama is Stephen Sondheim's musical drama Sweeney Todd, The Barber of Fleet Street. This conversion effectively retained sensational elements of the original play while adding a musical dimension. Melodrama across media. Beyond the theatrical context, the term melodrama has been extended to include any literary work or episode, whether in drama or prose fiction, that relies on implausible events and sensational actions. Melodramatic elements were a staple in early silent films, often featuring cowboy and Indian and cops and robber scenarios. To this day, melodramatic storytelling continues to thrive in cinematic and television productions. Conclusion. In conclusion, melodrama played a significant role in Victorian theatre, offering audiences thrilling and emotionally charged experiences. The genre's reliance on exaggerated emotions and sensational politeness contributed to its popularity in the 19th century and beyond. The legacy of melodrama can be observed in various modern entertainment forms, showcasing its enduring influence on popular culture. So this was the discussion on the term melodrama. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.